Hello students, welcome to the mathematics class. Today in this video we are going to continue our chapter money. Money play a very important role in our life. We need money to buy everything from the market. Different countries have their own currencies. For example, in America, dollar is used. In many European countries, euro is used. In England, pound is used. In Japan, yen is used. Taka is used in Bangladesh. In India, the Indian currency is rupee and it is denoted by this symbol. Paisa is the smallest form of money and it is denoted by P. Indian money consists of rupees and paisa. This is 1 rupees coin. This is 2 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. This is 10 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees note. This is 10 rupees note. This is 20 rupees note. This is 50 rupees note. This is 100 rupees note. This is 200 rupees note. This is 2000 rupees notes. Notes are the paper form of money and coins are the metal form. If you look at the paper money, it has a picture of Mahatma Gandhi. On the back side of the note, you can see a beautiful historical places of India. Each banknote has its amount written in 17 languages, English and Hindi on the front and 15 others on the back side of the note. We can write rupees and paisa together also. Suppose we have to write 20 rupees and 25 paisa. We will write rupees 20.25. We put a small dot or a point in between rupees and paise. The number on the left of the point is the number of the rupees and the number on the right of the point is the number of paise. Suppose if I have to write 1 rupees and 8 paise, we will write rupee 1.08. 7 rupees will be written as rupees 7.00. When paisa are not mentioned, we write 20 after the dot. When we put a dot, we do not write paise. Now let's go for shopping. Choose the correct amount for the following objects. Suppose the cost of bat is 8 rupees and you have 2 1 rupees coin, 2 2 rupees coin and 2 5 rupees coins. Now choose the correct amount for 8 rupees. You will choose 1 5 rupees coin, 1 2 rupees coin and 1 1 rupees coin. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8 rupees. Suppose the cost of burger is 20 rupees. Now choose the correct amount. Yes, you will choose 2 10 rupees note. Now suppose the cost of doll is 550 rupees and you have 1 500 rupees note, 1 200 rupees note, 1 50 rupees note and 1 20 rupees note. Choose the correct amount you will pay to the shopkeeper. Yes, you will pay 1 500 rupees and 1 50 rupees. 500 plus 50 is equal to 550 rupees. Suppose the cost of English book is 80 rupees and you have 150 rupees, 15 rupees, 120 rupees and 110 rupees. Now choose the correct one. 150 rupees, 120 rupees and 110 rupees. 50 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 80 rupees. Now look here. Here is the price of few fruits. Banana 60 rupees, apples 120 rupees, pineapple 45 rupees, grapes 250 rupees and watermelon 55 rupees. Suppose you have to buy pineapple and banana. Can you tell me how much money you have to pay? Let's calculate. The price of pineapple is 45 rupees and the price of banana is 60 rupees. When we add 45 and 60, we will get 105 rupees. It means you have to pay 105 rupees. Suppose your friend wants to buy apple and watermelon. How much money he has to pay? Let's calculate. The price of apple is 120 rupees and the price of watermelon is 55 rupees. When we add 120 and 55, we will get 175 rupees. So he has to pay 175 rupees. Let's take another example. If you want to buy grapes and banana, how much money you have to pay? 250 is the cost of grapes and 60 is the cost of banana. Altogether, it's 310 rupees. Let's do some word problem. Pinky bought a bread for rupees 20 and a butter for rupees 35. How much money did she spend in all? Let's calculate. The cost of bread is rupees 20. The cost of butter is rupees 35. To find the total cost, we have to add butter and bread. So 20 plus 35 is equal to rupees 55. Now let's take another example. Cheryl's mother gave her 50 rupees and her father gave her 200 rupees for school picnic. How much money Shelly has now? Let's calculate. Money given by her mother is 50 rupees. Money given by her father is 200 rupees. So total money will be 50 rupees plus 200 rupees is equal to 250 rupees. So Shelly has 200 rupees. Now look this example. Sachin had rupees 350 in his purse. He purchased fruits for rupees 268. How many rupees were left with him? The word left indicates that we have to subtract. So let's try to solve. Money with Sachin is equal to 350 rupees. Money spent on fruits is 268. Money left is equal to 350 minus 268 and we will get the answer 82 rupees. It means Sachin had 82 rupees. Now let's learn how to add money. Suppose we have to add rupees 26 and rupees 30. We know that to add we have to write the numbers in column. Now first we have to add the ones. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 26 plus 30 is equal to rupees 56. Now look another example. Suppose we have to add 59 paise and 25 paise. Again we have to write in column. 59 plus 25. Now we will add the ones column first. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Now we will add the tens column. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 84. So 59 paise plus 25 paise is equal to 84 paise. To subtract an amount of money from the other, we simply subtract their numbers. Suppose we have to subtract rupees 152 from rupees 275. We have to write the numbers in column. Then we have to subtract the ones column first. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 275 minus 152 is equal to rupees 123. Now take another example. 363 minus 243. We have to write in column. Then we have to subtract from ones column. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the answer is 120 rupees. Hope you all have learned how to use money in proper way. So keep doing practice of money. Thank you.